We are going on the trip now. It's going to be rough. If you hear something in the woods, you tell me. If you hear something in the water, you tell me. Under no circumstance are you allowed to take off your blindfold. Do you understand?
Hey guys, what's up? I'm Mark and welcome to epicconfections. Yes, that's right. I have a blindfold on. And as you can see from the sign, today I am so happy to be joined once again with Rosie from Rosie's Dessert Spot. Yes, today we're going to be doing the Birdbox Cake Challenge. I'm going to be trying to decorate a traditional birthday cake completely blindfolded. I can't see anything right now, I really can't. Nothing. Yo! I have everything that I need right in front of me, and I'm just gonna go for it. I'm gonna try to go for it. So I do have two 9-inch round white chocolate, white cakes. And yes, I do not recommend you cutting while you're blindfolded, but I'm gonna try it. Just because. That's not even, I can tell right now. Oh. Well, that's better. Yes. Okay. Yeah, definitely don't try to cut blindfolded. I'm just doing it because I'm a motherfucking professional. I've actually never tried to decorate a cake blindfolded. I think that's pretty even. I'm happy with that. So a traditional birthday cake to me is a white cake with white buttercream icing and a raspberry filling or raspberry jam. So, oh, okay, I got this. And I have a piping bag somewhere. There it is. So I just did a really thin layer, I think, of white buttercream. And I'm just going to rim the outside of the cake. Oh God. And then I'm going to fill that with my raspberry jam. Putting my second layer right on top. Ugh. That doesn't look good. That doesn't feel right. And I'm going to put it on my cake board. And I'm going to try to center it as much as I can. No. Oh, this is driving me nuts that I can't see it. I think that's okay. I have my cheater bag. Nope, that's that one. Full of white buttercream. And I'm going to, and we're gonna ice it. Oh my gosh. Oh, it fell. It fell. I already feel those sides are awful. Oh, look at how much buttercream is on these sides. Oh, it's killing me. Oh, big chunk. Big chunk. Let's just throw that in the sink. There's so much buttercream on this one side. I can feel it. Where is that? Right here. I need to get rid of it with my spatula. Do I even have any on my spatula? Okay, it's just on the turntable, I think. That's why it's bothering me. I'll pick it up with my hands. Ooh. Okay. I think I'm okay with that. Let me get the top here. Oh. So greasy. Oh, there we go. So I have a rake, a steel rake. Here we go. You see these rakes used on a lot of traditional birthday cakes. It just gives you a little bit of a cool little texture around the side. So I'm going to use that guy on my cake. I'm gonna pull these down. There we go. Okay. I'm good with that, I think. And now I'm gonna attempt to trim this cake. Hi, Rosie!
Hey, Mike! Hey, you're looking good.
Oh, thank you. I can't really hear you because I have my blindfold on. So how's your cake coming along?
Yeah, about that.
Mine too.
It's a masterpiece, actually.
It's definitely something special. And definitely check out her Birdbox challenge cake. I'm sure it looks amazing.
You know, you have cleaning duties after this. And I'm gonna start adding my sprinkles. Sprinkle.
It doesn't.
Is it okay? I don't think it is. Now I'm going to trim the bottom. And I'm going to add some sprinkles. Who doesn't love sprinkles? I want the middle one. Yes. I'm going to attempt to put these sprinkles around the top trim. I don't hear any hitting the ground. Oh, except those. I think I might be done. I'm a little nervous. I'm gonna take my blindfold off. Oh my god! Look at that trim! The top is not bad at all, oh my god! It actually doesn't look that bad though. I mean, I did touch the cake a lot while I was decorating it, which you're probably never supposed to do, but it's actually quite even level. That's hilarious. Let me get rid of this cake. Now, I have a challenge for you. I want you all to do the Birdbox cake challenge and send me photos on Instagram or Facebook. I want to see how you guys did. It'll be something fun. Let's do it. So here it is, guys. Here is the Birdbox cake challenge. I think it turned out pretty good. I'm still gonna eat that. Thank you so much to the beautiful and talented Rosie from Rosie's Dessert Spot. Check out her video in the description below. We'll see if she could do any better than I did. If you like what you saw, click the subscribe button and don't forget to hit that bell notification for new videos every single week. Thank you so much to Mariposa Market for sponsoring this video. And we'll see you all next week. Mwah! Thank you so much, Rosie, again for collaborating with me. I love you, and you're such an awesome lady. Definitely make sure to check out Rosie's channel and hit that subscribe button. Listen to me. We're going on a trip now. It's going to be rough. If you hear something in the woods, you tell me. If you hear something in the water, you tell me. Under no circumstance are you allowed to take off your blindfold.